and then they are protecting our integrity, and then they are expecting the positive response from the government, and then so far the government or anything is happened for the normalcy back to the state. So we, the people, we are struggling like anything, and especially the women folk, they used to sleep, they are sleeping, they sleep there in the, what to say, club shed and some other shed to protect the village and all. And then since they have been doing for the last 1 year, they cannot bear this thing. So just to express their unhappiness, and then they have shaved their head, and they decided to conduct a rally. So that is the reason to bring the peace and the integrity of the Manipur. And these people, these women, 7 women folk, they represent the Lai Nurabi, so-called the Lai people. They used to protect the women folk, the 7, this women, they used to protect our well-beingness of people of Manipur. So representing those Lai Nurabi Taret, that means 7 Lai Nurabi, they are, what is it, organizing this rally. And then in this rally, the old arrangement is done by the Ogyang Lema Youth Development Organization, that is called Kaido, and then it is held by the Coordinating Committee of Manipur, Sekmai, and Sekmai Manipur Kanbal Loop, especially led by Mrs. Kulabati Devi, and all the organization of the Sekmai, they have been, helping the organization and the rally. So from my side, I appeal to the government to bring a normalcy, peace, and to maintain the integrity, irrespective of the caste and creed and what is a religion, and not in the political form. So let us bring back the normalcy. So it is to be done by the central government and the state government.